Today is definitely one for the history books here in Monrovia. This project has been a vision of our community and our council for some time, and we're thrilled to get this project started.
As we listen to the birds, just right on cue, and the sounds of the stream, we are reminded just how resilient and precious Mother Nature can be. I am so proud to be a part of this rebuilding effort, especially after all this part has been through.
As we look around, you'll see fellow Monrovians who have contributed significantly over the years to our beloved Monrovia Canyon Park. Look at the people on your left and on your right. Look at the people behind you. Among many things you have in common with them today are your shared love for this special place that's Monrovia Canyon Park.
We've been working for years now to promote the park and rebuild the park and to make sure that the park is ready for people, but also the trees and the wildlife to be happy.
Yes.
And today is the day, which is amazing.
It is the day that we actually broke ground, and you're going to be absolutely thrilled with all the enhancement and changes that will be coming to this park that will live on for many, many years to come.
Just a quick overview. We're going to be installing a new water main as well as a new 6-inch sewer throughout the park. There's going to be a full road replacement, fully replaced parking lots, and we're even adding more parking spaces so more people can enjoy the park. There'll be a new improvements to the Veteran Memorial. So while we're repairing the park damage, we're also making the park better for our future and those future generations.
Like you, I grew up here in Monrovia. I took it for granted that we had this beautiful park here, but my cousins came up here and they were wowed by the beauty of this park. It's not something that's just appreciated by Monrovians, it's appreciated by the entire San Gabriel Valley.
We have made countless decisions about this park and how to recover. Every decision was made after deep reflection of our roles as leaders of this community, as stewards of this sacred park, and as community members who love Monrovia.
And perhaps the best holiday gift we could provide is coming December 2024. And we're excited about that. But first, let's break ground and flip some dirt. So to the full council, are you ready?